Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we dived into the world of drones, hasn't it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the exciting realm of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI, the undisputed king of drones, has been consistently pushing the boundaries of aerial photography, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. Let's delve into what this upcoming marvel might offer, and what we can anticipate in 2024. Before we take off on this digital journey, let's address the elephant in the room, the rampant rumors and speculations surrounding this drone. While some information holds water, others are as flimsy as a paper airplane. So, let's separate the wheat from the chaff and focus on what's likely to become reality. Expected release date. Based on DJI's historical release patterns, industry insiders are confidently predicting a September 2024 launch for the Mini 5 Pro. This aligns perfectly with DJI's strategy of annual upgrades, keeping their dedicated fanbase eagerly awaiting the next big thing. Given DJI's track record, a September release seems plausible, but only time will tell. One of the most tantalizing rumors revolves around the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to boast a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This leap in sensor size promises to revolutionize image quality, offering improved dynamic range, reduced noise, and enhanced low-light performance. Additionally, the ability to capture 4K videos at 60 FPS is on the cards, a feature that's becoming increasingly standard, but still impressive for a drone in this category. The debate around internal storage is heating up. While the Mini 4 Pro's 2GB storage was a bit underwhelming, there's hope that the Mini 5 Pro will offer at least 8GB. However, the question remains, is internal storage even necessary in today's age of high-capacity SD cards? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. Battery life is a perennial concern for drone enthusiasts. The Mini 4 Pro's Intelligent Battery Plus was a step in the right direction, but we're hoping for a more substantial improvement with the Mini 5 Pro. A flight time of at least 40 minutes per charge would be a game changer, providing pilots with greater freedom to explore without the constant battery anxiety. This is especially crucial for professional drone users who demand extended flight times. With every innovation comes a price increase. Considering the Mini 4 Pro's price tag, we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to fall in the mid-range segment with a starting price of around $750 to $800. Of course, this figure can vary depending on package configurations. Beyond the hype, separating fact from fiction. The drone market is rife with rumors, some more believable than others. While it's tempting to get carried away with the hype, it's essential to maintain a healthy dose of skepticism. Let's not forget that the Mini 5 Pro is still positioned as a mid-range drone, and it's unlikely to feature top-tier specifications found in flagship models. Professional potential, a new benchmark. Despite being classified as a mid-range drone, the Mini 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the standards for compact aerial photography. A larger sensor, improved dynamic range, ample storage, and extended flight times are not just desirable features. They're essential for professionals who rely on drones for their livelihood. The Mini 5 Pro could very well become the go-to choice for a wide range of applications. Your verdict, a game changer or incremental upgrade? We're eager to hear your thoughts on the upcoming Mini 5 Pro. Do you believe it will set a new benchmark for compact drones, or are these expected upgrades merely incremental improvements? Share your opinions in the comments below. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to my channel, Technology in the Future, for more in-depth drone reviews, tutorials, and the latest industry news. Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. That's all for now, drone enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other exciting drone developments. Until next time, happy flying.